Lesson number 21. Explanation. There is the key of the kingdom. In that kingdom, there is a city. In that city, there is a town. In that town, there is a street. In that street, there is a lane. In that lane, there is a yard. In that yard, there is a house. In that house, there is a room. In that room, there is a bed. On that bed, there is a basket. In that basket, there are some flowers. Flowers in the basket, basket on the bed. Bed in the room, room in the house. House in the yard, yard in the lane. Lane in the street, street in the town. Town in the city, city in the kingdom. And this is the key of the kingdom. The poet takes a small journey from the biggest thing to the smallest, and the smallest to the biggest. He starts with the key to the kingdom and ends with the key to the kingdom. This is a fun poem meant for children to read aloud. Enjoy!